Remember that yesterday's assignment was worksheet 8.4b. That needs to be uploaded into Canvas as soon as you finish that. Remember, all work this week is due on Monday by noon. On Canvas, make sure you've got the attendance sheet filled out for the day. And also you'll see that today is another day with a lesson. So there's the 8.5 video called Factoring Special Cases. There's a link for that video below where you can get to it through YouTube on my channel. You need to take a picture of your notes and upload that picture into this assignment that's called Notebook Check 8.5 Submission. Then there is the 8.5 worksheet to complete. Open that, download it to your computer, and then type your answers into that document before you re-upload it back to Canvas using this assignment down here. So it's watch a video, take notes, take a picture of your notes and submit those here, then work on the worksheet and submit the worksheet down below. That's all I really have to go over today. I know that there were a couple of you with some questions. So if you want to unmute yourself, you'll have to let me know if it's from worksheet 8.4b, or I know that several of you are already working on the assignment for today. So you'll have to tell me which worksheet it is and what number you would like me to go over. Anybody there? Oh, 17 and 21. Is that from today's worksheet, Amory? Okay. I'm going to open that document. I'm going to open it. I'm going to open the old file. Oh, wait. Did I take some off? I did. We have to open this file. Okay, 17. Just trying to get it where I can still see the conversation thread. Okay, 17 is a difference of squares. So remember, on a difference of squares, we're going to have two sets of parentheses that are identical except for the signs. So the first one will be addition, the second one will be subtraction. You can have them flipped. You take the square root of the number in front. The square root of 1 is 1. Then you take the square root of the term in the back. Remember, when you have an exponent, if you cut it in half, so x to the 6th, that would be x to the 3rd times x to the 3rd, because half of 6 is 3. So 1 plus x cubed times 1 minus x cubed. Remember, in a difference of squares, now some of you haven't watched the video yet, this is probably confusing to you, but today's video is all about special cases. There's two special cases. There's one that's called a difference of squares, and there's another one that's called the perfect square trinomial, and it's just some quick ways to factor those. And she also said 21. Oh, 21's a proportion. When you solve a proportion, remember you're going to cross multiply. But what you have to do is distribute that 5 through the parenthesis, and you have to distribute the 4 through the parenthesis and set those things equal to each other. So it would be 5 times 3x minus 1 equals 4 times 5x plus 1. When you solve a proportion, you cross multiply and set them equal to each other and then solve. That's all the further I'm going to go on that one. Yeah, there is some review. There's a little second page here of review as well, so make sure you don't miss that on today's worksheet. Are there any other questions? There are some email issues, I think, with teachers emailing students, students emailing teachers. I think there were some Skype issues with being able to see those little reminder messages, since those come through Outlook, those the reminders that I send you about this Skype session, for example. So if you're emailing teachers and you're having trouble getting a response back, it could be that they aren't receiving your emails, so try Skype. They emailed us really late last night and just said, we're aware of an issue with students emailing teachers and teachers emailing students. And they were still working on it this morning, and they have not emailed back saying it was 100% fixed. Now, I am still getting some emails from students, so it might be like hit or miss. But if you send something out and a staff member hasn't replied after a couple hours, I would maybe just try to reach out through Skype. We're going to do one more lesson tomorrow. So I decided one more lesson tomorrow, then Tuesday and Wednesday next week we're going to review. I forgot about the sample test. And then Thursday next week we're going to take a test. Yay! Okay, so if that's it, we'll go ahead and hop off. You guys can start on your video. Make sure you get those pictures uploaded. Remember, everything is due by Monday at noon.